Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Rogue's air filter. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself, saving time and money. First, gather your new air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. This ensures safety and prevents any accidental burns while working under the hood. Let's get started. Now that you're ready, let's open the air filter housing. You'll see several metal clips around the perimeter. Unclip these first. Some models might have a hose or sensor connected, so carefully disconnect those if present. Once everything is unclipped and disconnected, gently lift the top cover of the housing. This will reveal the old, dirty air filter inside, ready for removal. It's usually a straightforward process. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, they're seriously comfortable. You can find a link to those amazing socks and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old air filter. Take a moment to inspect it. You'll likely see accumulated dirt and debris. Before installing the new filter, use a clean cloth to wipe out any dust or leaves from inside the housing. Now, place your new air filter into the compartment, making sure it sits flush and securely. A proper fit is crucial for optimal engine performance and filtration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.